Imagine that you are a farmer and one of the days you went to the farm to cultivate, or you just got a new apartment and you decided to use the backyard to farm, just for you to till the ground or cultivate the ground and discover beautiful objects, and they are so much advanced that even scientists of today could not explain it. This was exactly what happened in a town called Igbo-Ukwu many years ago, and the discovery shook the world, and I promise you it's going to shock you too. But before we dive into the full details, if this is your first time coming across this channel, welcome to the family. My name is Uche and I do everything Igbo history. If this is what interests you, please kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notification bell so that you'll be the first to be notified anytime I drop a new video. Like this video now, or at the end of this video if you learned something or enjoyed it. And also to our returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back. Now, let's dive right into the details of this very video. You're going to like it. So it was in 1938 when a villager was digging the ground just to set up a water tank. Instead of soil, his shovel touched strange objects. And as of that time, he did not know what these objects were. But years later, when archaeologists came to that same place to dig the ground and to properly examine those objects, what they found was so unbelievable to them. They found hundreds of bronze and copper items that were shining with amazing designs. These tools were not ordinary tools. They were amazingly designed with animals, insects, and even rope that looked so real. So much so that you would think that they were made yesterday. This type of skill was seen to be far away ahead of its time. It was later discovered that Igbo-Ukwu people was using art method that was called lost wax casting, the type of art method that was used by some of the greatest civilizations in history. The one that was shocking and surprising was that among those bronzes, you could find beads that came from far away places like Egypt, Phoenix, and Asia, which goes to show that 1,000 years ago, before the British even came to Igbo land, that Igbo-Ukwu people were already trading internationally. So they already have a trade relationship with international bodies. But here comes the mystery. Unlike the famous Benin or Ife bronzes that lasted for centuries, the Igbo-Ukwu bronzes just appeared and suddenly disappeared. That we don't know, or nobody has the traces of who made those bronzes or why the tradition suddenly ended. So it begs to ask the question, was Igbo-Ukwu village or people a center or in the center of a lost kingdom, or were they just a simple community that did not have the opportunity to pass their gifts to another people? The story of Igbo-Ukwu community teaches us that our history is deeper than we were taught in school. And it's also a proof that there are more secrets hidden under our soil that are yet to be discovered. So hit that subscribe button now so that you will not miss out on any Igbo history that I'm coming with. It's going to be back-to-back banger. Meanwhile, let me ask you, if you were the one that saw this very object years ago, that very day in 1938, how would you have felt? And also, do you think that Igbo-Ukwu community is a lost kingdom, or is there something that they are not telling us? Let me know in the comment section. And don't forget to like this video so that YouTube can show it to more people. Thank you for always coming back to watch our videos. My name is Uche and I'll see you in the next video.